Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Onpoint mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Onpoint mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in homeloanapp.onpointcu.com and make a search. The login page of Onpoint mortgage account will appear on the screen. Enter your email address and password associated with your Onpoint mortgage account and tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your login credentials or details, tap on the link that says Trouble Login In. This is how you can log into your Onpoint mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.